Hello, my name is Dipanshu and this is my STLD assignment. I have to solve question number 3.12, 3.13 and 3.14. So let's jump to the first question. So the question number 3.12 is simplify the following expression and implement them with two level NAND gates. So the expression given to us is this: AB dash plus ABD plus ABD dash plus A dash C dash D dash plus A dash B C dash. All right. So what we do here is that we take AB common in these two terms. So it becomes AB bracket D plus D dash. As we know that D plus D dash will always be 1 and anything dot 1 will always be that thing only. So AB dot 1 is AB. So we move on to this tab, that is AB dash plus AB plus A dash C dash D dash plus A dash B C dash. If we take A common in these two, we again have the similar condition where A dot B dash plus B plus A dash C dash D dash plus A dash B C dash. So again B dash plus B will always result into 1 and A dot 1 will always be A. So this is the final simplified equation that we have, expression that we have. This cannot be simplified any further. So we are using the involutionary law here. That means the y dash whole dash will always be equal to y. So we just did the same here. So now if we are using De Morgan's theorem, we can convert this expression into this expression. And we just now have to use the two level NAND gates to construct this very circuit. Alright, so let's jump to the circuit part. As we can see, this is the circuit. Let's just compare it with the expression that we had. First one was A dash. So we have A dash here because we have used an inverter right here. Then we have A dash C dash D dash whole dash. So we have A dash C dash and D, and then the whole, then we are using inverter here because we have a whole dash right here. Then the next term is A dash B and C dash. So let's jump right in. This is A dash B and C dash. Just because this is a whole dash right here, we have to use the NAND gate right here, and we have a whole dash in all these terms. So this becomes this gate, this NAND gate. So we have solved this question. Now let's go to the next question. This is the B part of this very own question. So it is BD plus BCD dash plus A, B dash, C dash and D dash. This expression cannot be simplified any further. So we will just use the involutionary law here, that just like we used in the last question. So this, which gives us this expression, again using De Morgan's theorem, we can convert this expression into this expression, and we have the diagram right here. Let's just compare that. So it's BD whole dash, so we have BD and the NAND gate, that and an inverter in the AND. So the next part is BC and D dash, BC and D dash. We are using an inverter right here. And the next is A, B dash, C dash, D dash, A, B dash, C dash, D dash, and whole dash. And we are using a NAND gate right here, which is this whole dash. So we have successfully represented our expression in this problem. Let's move on to the next problem. Question number 3.13. Draw a NAND logic diagram that implements the complement of the following function. Now we have to focus on one thing, that we have to find the complement. So we have the four variable k maps. I have just drawn the table right here. This is a very easy step and I hope everyone know this. We have just then 0 1 2 3 4, we have put 0 in all these places because we have to find the complement of this whole. function. So we come up with this very table. Now we have to find the common ones. So we can only do this if they are present in power of 2, like 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Here we have a group of 4, that is 5, 7, 13, and 15, which is this group. Then we have another group, which is this 7, 6, 15, and 14. And the last group here, which is 15, 14, 11, and 12, 11 and 10. So let's just focus on this very first group. As we can see, the 1 is common here, which is the B part is common in this one, and D is common in this, because C is 0 in this and 1 in this. So we have D common in this one and B common in this one. So we can write it as B dot D. Again, let's move on to the next part, which is this square. Here we have B. Again, B is common in this, but instead of D, here we have C common. So that makes it B dot C. And in the last square, we have A, because A is common in all these two, A and C. So we should have A dot D. No, sorry. Instead of C, we have D common here. So we did this and used all this again using involutionary law. We converted this, and here we have B, D, which represent this B, D, and the NAND gate. Then we have B dot C and the NAND gate, A dot D and the NAND gate, and this whole NAND gate. So we have solved this question also. Let's move on to the next question, which is question number 3.14. This is draw a logic diagram using only two input NAND gates to implement the following expression. So the expression is AB plus A dash B dash dot C D dash plus C dash D. As this is quite clear, we can see that this expression is A XNOR B and this expression is C XOR D. So we can write it like this. Now let's move on to the solution. So we have X A XNOR B dot C XOR D. So this is A XNOR B and C XOR D. We have to represent all this in the terms of NAND gates. So if we do this, this gives us the inverse, and if we provide the same thing to the NAND gate, it gives us the complement of this thing. So we have designed this circuit using this expression, but the thing is we have to convert this X nor B and X or B in terms of NAND gate, which is done here. This is C X or D, this part right here, and this is A X nor B. So using this only we have created this circuit. So we have covered this topic also. We have used the input NAND gates to design the logic diagram for this question, which brings us to the end of slide. Thank you.